Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing this super affordable fall/autumn makeup look. So if you want to see how you can create this look for yourself, then keep on watching. So first, taking the Fall in Love eyeshadow palette from Barry M and taking the very first shade, and I'm basically just going to use that as my base. Also, I have already done like my base makeup already, so excuse the baking powder on my face. Going back in with the same palette and taking the second shade in, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Going in with the Revolution X Soph Extra Spice palette and taking the shade Cookie Dough. And I'm just going to be putting that into my crease and kind of above my crease as well. While doing this, you also want to smoke it out to the sides. Taking the Makeup Revolution palette again and taking the shades Cheesecake and Chocolate Orange and mixing them together and putting them on top of the eyeshadow I've just put on, just to darken it up. Then you're going to go and want to blend that out and make it all seamless and no harsh line. Then taking the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to use that to carve out my crease. And you're going to want to flick the concealer outwards as well. Going in again with the shade LA Sun. Then I'm going to put that all over my cut crease. Taking this gorgeous shade Dreams. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of my eye and to the middle of my lid. Taking W7's Metal Flash Glitter Eyeliner, and I'm going to be taking that from the inner corner of my eye and just swiping it along to the centre of my eye and kind of stopping where that gold stops. Taking the Lottie London Stamp Liner, and I'm going to be using the eyeliner side and start to do a bit of a wing. Taking another product from Lottie London, and this is the mascara Lashgoals, and I've never used this mascara before, so I was so intrigued by the wand because I didn't expect the wand to come out like that. But yeah, so then I just basically started doing my lashes. So now it's time to brush away that baking powder. For lashes, I'm going to be taking Eylure's Most Wanted range, and I'm not quite sure what the lash is called, but I will definitely write it down in the description below if you guys like these lashes. Going back into that Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking the shades Cheesecake and Chocolate Orange again, and just running that along my lower lash line. Going back with that gorgeous LA Sun gold shadow again, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes. Then taking that same mascara again and putting it on my lower lashes. Taking L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze, and I'm going to start to bronze my face and put a bit of colour back into my face because Lord knows I need that. Then taking this gorgeous Nip+Fab blush, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones. Taking one of my favourite highlighters, this is the Sleek Makeup Cleopatra Kiss highlighter, and I'm going to be taking this gorgeous gold shade. Then I'm going to be taking it to the top of my cheekbones and also bringing that along to the top of my forehead and on the Cupid's bow, and then I'm going to take a smaller brush and put that on my nose. I'm also going to put it under my brow bone as well. Taking this MAC lip liner in the shade Vino, I think it is. And I'm going to start to outline my lips. Going in with the Makeup Revolution Velvet Lacquer in the shade Velvet Vamp. And start to put that on my lips. And finally, you're just going to want to take the Urban Decay All Nighter spray and set everything into place. And that is the finished makeup look. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from me, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!